Okay, I'm out here with my 22 long rifle build. Nothing special too much about it. Got this Mission First tactical stock. It's pretty nice actually, very solid, very inexpensive. Got this lower, this Terminal Performance. They're out of Virginia. I don't know too much about them, but it does have a skull on it. That always means it's cool. Magpul, handguard, standard brake. That gas block is just to keep the handguard in. It's a 22, so it's a blowback. A UTG red-green dot sight. Nothing great, but it works great for a 22. That's about it. Ergo grip, very comfortable. Slick side upper. Didn't need all that for a 22, you know, with the forward assist and all that good stuff. Well, that's about it. I'm gonna try to shoot it now. And we got here a 50-round drum. That isn't the first time I shot this, so it should do pretty good today. All right. Oop. Got a slight problem here. I got one stuck in there. That's never good. Oh, there she goes. All right. Yeah, that's it. I don't know about these 22s. It doesn't hold open on the last round for some reason, but not terrible. I guess he did all right just for messing around. All right, thanks.